In this video, we're going to quickly go over some of the major changes to the Ultimate Radial menu in 2.5.0. And this update was mainly focused around the input manager and getting the new input system completely integrated. And something to note about this is that the old input system still works perfectly fine with the Ultimate Radial menu. We simply added in the code for supporting the new input system as well. So I'm just going to quickly look at the inspectors and show what sort of changes we made. So here we are in a project that's using the old input system. And one of the changes that we made was we have this enable menu setting, which allows you to either make it toggle, hold, or manual. So either you can turn the menu on by pressing a button, then you have to press the button again, or you can just have the menu open when you're holding it, or you can just do it manually. And then the other change that we made was instead of having an index and a string using Unity's things, we just have it to where either left, right, or both mouse buttons can interact, or a list of these options for enabling it using keyboard. The only other option that we added, or I guess we renamed, was the center screen input. We tried to rename that so it makes a little more sense, and we added a bunch of options to hopefully make it really useful for either first-person games or VR games. We even have a virtual reality setting here that allows you to do a left and right eye camera for calculations so that it can work on world space radial menus. And that's basically it for the old input system. So if we look at the new input system, the biggest change you'll see here is the controller input. You have joysticks left and right, interact buttons. We have all of the buttons on a controller, and you can set these. And then in the rare case that your controller, or maybe you're doing a VR thing, you can do this custom controller input, which is new specifically for the new input system. And it allows you to add bindings for the joysticks, the interact, the enable. It's useful for the XR controllers, which aren't going to work with the controller input and stuff like that. So we hope that this update will prove useful to all of our Unity developers out there, regardless of what input system you're using. So thanks for watching.